welcome to Marina Bay. We are here today because we are trying to catch a rehearsal of the National Day Parade. In Singapore, the National Day is on the 9th of August. Today we are the 17th of July, but every weekend, I think since 2 to 3 weeks, they are practicing. Every Saturday they are training for the D-Day. I'm not sure if you can hear already, but you can hear like some people screaming, and from there I can see some people dancing. We cannot really enter this zone because during COVID it's really a restricted area, and also you need to get tickets, so it's a bit troublesome. But if you want to try to spot the training of the planes and people jumping, you can still come to the Marina Bay area, and it's around 6:30. So we are having 30 minutes, so you can just come walk around and you will be able to spot like so many planes, and it's quite cool. So we are gonna watch that together. Actually it's at 6:20, 6:30, so if you came early enough you can try to get a seat at the bar at the rooftop of the marina, but we came too late. We still tried, but everything was booked. I remember going there in 2018 and it was really nice. You can really see the plane from up close, so I would really recommend. But now I'm just gonna walk to the other side so that I can have a view on the Marina Bay while I'm watching the planes. Out of 10 recommend if you have few hours to spend in your Saturday evening. You can see so many things, like it's happening from everywhere, as you could see. You can see all kind of army, the navy, the police, the firemen. I'm not sure if I'm gonna attend for the National Day. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to record some video if I go. But it's really damn so cool. You can see a boat, you can see planes, and it's really a great show. And I don't know if in other countries National Day is so big. In France I know that it's quite big also, but in Singapore I really love the spirit because so many people are just getting united for this special day. I'm not saying that Singapore is not having its own problem in terms of equality and stuff like that, but it's nice to have one day where you can see Singapore united. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Make sure to wear red on the National Day, and I will see you next time.